People come on them and run from camera and a big old man take a beer. Them talk to the camera now. Already I see beer things happen for internet, social media. Walk one time and talk to the camera, star, you know. Yo, I say paparazzi work in a diamond. So what you have to say about danger situation? Yo, what you have to say about Spice situation? You feel say Spice give the man jacket for real? Yo, Diamond, talk to me now. Diamond, 200,000 followers on Instagram, you know. Diamond, talk to me now, Diamond. Where you run and go? Diamond, your bumper gets so big. I walk one.
That is a really run me down for?
You do up your body or your bumper gets so big?
Body if you do.
Walk one, Diamond.
So this a really run me down for?
I mean, you're a star. What you talk about? I be a thing
you see. You told me I come for my rest. Me good say run me down.
Diamond, when we see star, that's how we have to deal with the situation.
That is a run me down for?
What you mean? Walk one. Your face a Spice, give the man jacket.
Don't ask me nothing about no Spice or no man jacket.
Sure, no star.
You know, just the Spice, give the man to pick them to the right father. Now ask me that the man I want dirty, wicked, crosses, man. And that really make me.
So, you really do that to danger?
That really, and that combo, right now I'm thirsty.
You're thirsty?
Yeah, Diamond.
Yo, anything, Diamond, just talk to me. What you deal with?
You see how far the man run me down?
Yeah, be a mix up, me see I go on past social media. See, RT Boss, you feel say RT Boss really.
Why you not ask me how my business that do? Why you not ask me how Diamond doing and my mask drop and condemn? You come and run me down and ask me about danger. Run me down and ask me about Spice and RT Boss. Ask me what me they do for myself.
Diamond, what your resolution for 2021?
Ask me what me they do for myself. You question me about the other man and I work right. Other man can't read good and I talk about. Run me down to the wall and maybe I'm about the other man can't read good.
Remember say a star, you know.
You don't say the talk about me just come over me goods them no rest but nothing tired. And you run me down for interview and ask me about this other man can't read good.
Tony really come from, you're not afraid Spice get somebody rub you out when I go town.
Spice, me and Spice have nothing. You don't know what you're talking about.
Spice not nothing.
You're bright, me good, nice, clean artist.
Oh.
No, my, I get it wrong and twisted. My good, nice, clean artist.
Oh.
You couldn't do that.
And I really
you see me and Spice have something yet?
Not a true still.
You don't do that.
But you don't know what going on.
The so-called man.
Yeah.
The man.
The man or the man them?
The man, me never say Spice the father. The man, the dirty man.
Yeah.
Rape of my cousin.
Sure no.
The dirty man that he did that cause, not Spice. So get enough facts right. Remember Spice, I'm a nice clean artist. The dirty man.
Allegedly.
Yeah, the
we're not
dirty
sure.
Man.
Allegedly.
Me not say no allegedly.
Remember say lawsuit out there.
Me not busy about the lawsuit. Anything when my cousin say that me I say.
Yo, I'm edit out that part there.
You think you want edit, where you start me for?
In a realest way. Yo, me just want to tell you say.
Listen.
Yeah.
Remember I take out the interview of a CVM, you know.
Yeah.
So I take it off a face, so nobody ask me nothing about him.
In the realest way.
You know what you ask about allegedly and what you want to say. If I let her run me down about him do it.
Alright, watch on YouTube. Watch on, I want to start one show with you on YouTube. You can sit down and talk business.
He's a bleacher, star of face to cover that really are running in the sun. You know, ask how is Diamond. What Diamond doing?
But what you know?
Up to the time, on my Instagram does a flip stuff. You know, I'm not about myself. You just come about people business, so sir.
Yeah, you want to talk about your 200,000 followers on Instagram?
You want a million. I know you want to talk about me. Talk about how me I sell the good shit them. Talk about how me I sell the good clothes them. Talk about right round the story that Captain Bear could ever come find me and support me. And that's what I talk about. So you not ask me about me take out Fridays, but me and the rest of them something. You not question me about myself. You come about people business.
What be the things you see I go on with on Instagram?
The man run me down to go on me about people business. Till you come and me foolishness about Spice. And you know Spice, I'm a good, nice, clean artist. Then I could have really rub Spice. Nice, good, clean artist. Everybody a come about Spice the wrong way.
Even if she give the man...
woman come out with him nice, clean Rasta man. I want to know. I got Spice shirt. Listen now.
Whole heap of people are wonder if a Rasta man go stick around, you know, how long.
And if the Rasta man don't want to stick around, and if how long, she not care. And if I right now and I 2 weeks, she still a boast on them. Sorry, again.
Oh, in a realest way?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
everybody ever come to stay long.
So all of the people, them, the naysayers, them who are short.
What them matter in me eye, come to sleep and the boss just take me and stuff.
No matter no them man.
Make sure no matter in me eye, me class.
No, oh God, Diamond man. That's cool, man.
With for my head, me can't even see one big bright light. I'm like, where's the star?
No, realest way.
You run me down in the bay.
So what you have to say to the people, what they go on like say, why girls say are not true? Are you not possible say that could happen to the girl?
Danger, ask danger. You haven't find danger, ask danger about yourself. And what my cousin say, me I work with. Remember me, now you, never in the hotel. Whether I lie or true, me I believe my cousin.
Oh, see?
So anybody else have an opinion, stay with it.
So all of the people them want to say, Spice, bad man, she corrupt. She use Obia for hold down people in a
dance. Them are just wicked. Remember, you know. Remember, everybody now go come to say good. Remember, some are going to say bad, some are going to say good. Everybody now go come and say Spice nice. All of them saw the Spice wicked. So all along, whenever you used to say Spice wicked, why you know everybody go say Spice wicked?
You feel she has success to make people come down for her.
They are blind, sir. All right, mine tomorrow morning now. I'm children one Jaguar somewhere and buy a big house. You hear how me ugly, how me grudgeful, how me walk and thief clothes. You hear how me wicked, and me kill this man here, and me let a man around there. So you don't know how success come. Success come with a whole house of bad mind tumble down by and burn like a whole bridge.
Sure,
you don't know that?
Sure, no.
You don't know that? It's a good thing that I want to answer when I hype. Because I know myself, before I hype, I know what I sell on the roadside. But all those that tumble down for me. I show me I'm a real dancer, and I always in the street. I never forget the street yet. Before I forget the street, now I say me I sell. You that hear all these things that bring me down, draw me through graveyard like I'm a draw the woman. Lord, the woman make him prosper, the woman get enough hungry days to like you all away. And for the woman time now for merry and laugh and happy and nice. We have to not turn or else, son.
Oh, Zane.
See them at a bully in me yard.
No, did them, man.
Oh, you know that I'm in the sleep on the bus, you run me down, me even rest.
Because for when me Justin Blake.
Oh, I'm a good Justin Blake. Me fix up a few minutes, see him, if you want to end. So where you, my friend? That's the light up blind me. So what? When you subscribe to Justin Blake channel, I'm a good friend, a nice clean friend, but I say I have to run me down.
Yeah, I just want to say congratulations for your 200,000 followers.
1 million, my word.
Yeah, you're rich, woman. Don't worry yourself. Kubampa. Kubat. Yeah, big up yourself, you know, mama.
Justin, go on,
You want to shout out your business?
I want to big up my nice, clean business. My Sam Flawless. My body smell take down a mobile. I'm a talk fucking inside Jamaica. Yeah, man, big up me and my business. We're located at Bisca Mall, Shop 7, Mobile. Instagram is Sam_Flawless. Yeah, we're loud.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel. Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.